Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the safety measures to follow by using the OrbitalChamp to protect the job, the product and your personal safety. Before welding, always ensure the ground cable is attached to the workpiece to prevent data loss. Similarly, when disassembling the device, always ensure the power is off before disconnecting. To protect the welding job and the product, always check that the work cable and the ground cable is connected correctly. Also check the gas supply on the both welding and the root side before welding. If assembling for the first time, ventilate the machine by pressing the start button and pressing it again before the start welding impulse expires. If you detect any problem after you start the welding process, you can stop it with the two lower buttons which hold the process and cut the welding arc. First and foremost, perform the welding task in appropriate clothing. Full-length clothes, gloves and safety shoes. Always ensure no body parts are between the pipe and the clamp when you position the product. Avoid placing any limbs between the gear and the main plate during the welding process or the positioning, as this can cause injury. Similarly, ensure your hand doesn't get caught between the cable holder and the cable. Always wear a welding mask during the welding process and handle the workpiece only with appropriate protective equipment, as it can be extremely hot.